nice holder you got there.
Gems. Didn't fit, I had to remachine it differently. I had to recut their threads. They don't make threads that work. Alright, we're going to tune it up a little bit, you said, right?
That's it, tune it.
That means don't get carried away.
Doesn't need to be race ready.
So, tune up with that one. That a tune-up one?
That's a good one there.
Definitely a tune-up one.
It's a deep cutter.
Light duty one. Yeah, I'll use that one. The other one at? I don't see the other one. Oh, there it is. This one got put in there, my mistake. Exhaust port. Okay, I'll use that one. What else we got left? Someone's been using my cutters. They loaded them up for me.
And didn't clean them.
You have to clean them up by porting them, using them.
Hmm.
I don't need that one. Yeah, I don't need that one either. Oh, there's my missing cutters.
Oh, looks like Mac.
Got too hot.
What was that?
Aluminum.
Hmm.
I was welding something. Didn't work. Either I was warming up something. Got too hot. That happens too. Alright. Let's see. Tune up. Need some air. I'm gonna run out of air pretty quick too. Better than it did. Been tuned up.
Yeah, that's a good start.
Trade. Get some more tuning. Feel up right there.
Yep.
Lip be gone. sharp edge is all I'm doing there. Alright, now that down there is a problem. That big lip we talked about right there.
Yep.
It's coming from this side. Oh, of course not there.
Uh-oh.
See? Can't get to it this way, see?
Nope.
You need a cutter like this.
That would be hard to work.
They don't make that one.
No flexible cutters.
Yeah, they don't make that one. Yeah, I would whip around pretty bad.
Yeah.
Alright, so all that work's got to be done from this side. I think I need some. I need some glue back.